Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Redmi Watch 3 Active. And as you can see here on the box, it has support for Bluetooth phone call as well as push notifications. So we are going to test, okay? We are going to try this feature. Let's have a Bluetooth call as well as push notifications, whether it's app or SMS messages. So we are going to try that one and see if the feature works here on our Redmi Watch 3 Active. Okay, so there are some steps that we are going to try to activate this feature. So if you have this smartwatch and you are having hard time activating these features, just drop a comment below or watch this video, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and let's try the Bluetooth call notifications as well as messaging of the Redmi Watch 3 Active. And as you can see here, we are already paired with our support app, the Mi Fitness application. But as you can see here, we did not activate the app notifications, so we will check some settings here. Okay, we will set. So let's start. Okay, so it's still syncing. Let's wait first. After this, you can set the notifications. Okay, so let's wait for the smartwatch to complete its synchronization with the support app. Okay, so it has finished with the synchronization. So let's activate some of its settings for the app notifications as well as Bluetooth call. So let's go first with this one. So tap on it. Okay, so let's activate app notifications. So this one, optional. Okay, if you want to receive a message, okay, when your phone is locked only, you can activate this one, or when your screen is activated. Okay, incoming calls. So we have here a permission to be able to view contact names. When you get a call, allow this app to read your contacts. Okay, so this one, it is another permission. Just activate it. Okay, then let's check other options here. Favorite contacts, later on we're going to set that. Profile, so device permission, let's see, app permissions, so send SMS messages, so let's activate this one. App permissions, call logs, contacts, phone, SMS. I guess that's it. Okay, later on we will recheck it again if something goes wrong. Granted, make sure that everything is set here. So seems like everything is set. Let's deactivate this one. Do not disturb access. Okay, maybe you can just leave it like that. Storage, let's activate this one to avoid any issues. Contacts, storage. Okay, microphone, camera, calendar. Okay, so seems like everything is set. Okay, we can also receive app notifications here, as you can see. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we have here our WhatsApp application. So let's see if we can receive a message. Okay, so we have here our WhatsApp application. So let's start. Hello, Watch 3 Active. Okay, let's put a smiley. Okay, we have emoticons here. So let's see, send a message. Okay, Okay, so we have it here. So we felt a vibration and we have the message notifications here from the application. What's up? Okay, hello watch tree active. So the emoticons did not work. So you have an option here to dismiss or open the message on the phone. Okay, let's have another one. Another one. Message sent. Okay, as you can see here, it works for the WhatsApp application. How about the call? Can we see with call notifications? Okay, so incoming voice call. You have an option to dismiss or open it on the phone. Okay, in our case, let's just end it. Okay, so far it works for the WhatsApp application. Let's try with the SMS messages. Okay, so let's check this. This is SMS messages. Okay, so let's send a message. Okay, still on the process. Message sent. Okay, although we felt a vibration but did not display it on the screen. Again, let's try another one. Hello. Okay, maybe just a delay. Oops. So we need not receive a vibration here. Okay. Again. Nope. Okay, so let's check. What's up? Okay, seems like we did not receive any SMS messages here on our smartwatch. Okay, let's verify. Activity, calls. Seems like we don't have a support. Okay, 2 minutes ago, 2 notifications. Okay, let's verify it here. As you can see, we receive a messages here. Okay, let's go back to our Mi Fitness app notifications. Okay, it is activated here. Let's check. Okay, we'll check it here. Okay, let's go back to the settings. Notifications on. Device permission. App permission. SMS. Okay. SMS is activated here. Notifications. Okay. So seems like everything is okay now. Let's see. And let's try. Okay. Hello again. Okay, message sent. Okay, finally we receive an SMS message. Again, try again. Okay. And that's it. As you can see, we have here the message. Okay, so we have at least several messages here. So successful. Okay, notification from WhatsApp application as well as SMS notifications, as you can see here. Okay, so tap on it to expand and see other messages from the application. Okay, messaging, tap on it and we have it here. Okay, so far it works for the SMS and WhatsApp application. So let's go for the Bluetooth call and see if this thing also works. Okay, so let's go for the Bluetooth call. Let's add our favorite contacts first. Some phone. Okay, then add. Okay, is it set? Okay, let's see. We have it here. Contacts. Okay, we have the contacts here. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's see if the Bluetooth call works. Or maybe just see call notification. I don't know. Okay, let's call the number. It's now calling. Okay, as you can see here, we have the number. You have option to block the calls or answer the call. Okay, call back or dismiss. Let's dismiss. Okay, let's check favorite contacts. Let's dial here. Okay, calling. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, as you can see here, it works. Okay, you have an option to adjust the volume. Okay, so let's recheck. Okay, vibration. Okay, again, so we can see calling. Another one. It's now calling. Okay, it seems like the phone is on silent. Wait. Okay, as you can see here, it's now calling the number. And do we have a dial pad here? Let's see. Let's work out. Favorite contacts, calls. Okay, so it doesn't support a dial pad for calls. Okay, but anyway, the Bluetooth call works. Okay, you can add your favorite contacts here first. Okay, to be able to call someone directly on the smartwatch. Okay, so let's try. Okay, I will call the number of the smartwatch or of the phone, okay, where the smartwatch is connected, and let's answer the call. Okay, so let's wait for the Bluetooth call notification. Okay, we have it here, so let's answer. Okay, hello, I'm answering the phone. Adjust the volume. Okay, hello, and call. Okay, so the Bluetooth call works for the Redmi Watch 3 Active. Okay, let's see here the calls. As you can see here, we have call logs. Okay, it seems like we have a dial pad here. Let's see. Okay, so it has support for dial pad. Okay, let's try. Okay, I thought we don't have a dial pad. Oops. Okay, so let's try this one. 0969. Oops. Again. 0969615839. Okay, let's try this one. It's now calling, as you can see here. Okay, and incoming calls, as you can see here. Adjust the volume. Okay, let's send a call. Okay, so it works, and we have the dial pad. Okay, it is just included here on the calls. It doesn't have a separate menu or function here. Okay, just tap on the calls, then slide on the bottom part of the menu or the UI here. There's the dial pad. Okay, so that's it. So everything works for the Redmi Watch 3 Active, the SMS WhatsApp application notification, as well as the Bluetooth call for the smartwatch. It supports call notifications, dial pad, and adding of contacts to the smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the notifications for the wearable, as you can see here: missed calls, messaging, and WhatsApp application. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.